Hey everyone, today I am going to teach you how to find token contract address on Solscan. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Solscan website by typing https://solscan.io in the address bar and pressing enter. Step 2. Once on the Solscan homepage, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter details about the token whose contract address you want to find. Step 3. If you know the token's name or symbol, type it into the search bar. For example, if you're searching for a token like USDC, type USDC and wait for the search results to appear. If you have the token's Solana address, you can also enter it directly. Step 4. From the search results, carefully select the correct token to open its token details page. This page contains all the essential information about the token, including its contract address, holders, supply, and recent transactions. Step 5. Scroll down or look through the details on the page until you find the section labeled Token Address or Contract Address. This is the unique identifier for the token on the Solana blockchain. Step 6. Once you locate the contract address, click on the copy icon next to it to copy the full address. Be sure to double-check that you are copying the correct address to avoid any errors when using it for transactions or adding it to your wallet.